Hi guys, so for today's video, magpagwapa tano. So first, I'm gonna squeeze out a pea-sized amount of the illuminating sunscreen. Very important po talaga yung sunscreen natin every day. So next nga kung ibutang is tinted sunscreen. The tinted sunscreen has a tone adapt technology and these sunscreens are from Bareface Official. And nagbutang na po ko og face cream from Pond's. So what I like about this face cream is that it has an Insta Bright effect or the tone up effect. And also makapantay po siya sa imuhang skin tone. Just blend it well including your neck area. Next, I'm gonna put a baby powder on my face. Mas preferred na ko ang baby powder over foundation. But then again, it depends on our preferences. Next, I'm gonna put some cheek tint. The cheek tint that I use here is from Sugar Dolls. So, magbutang taog cheek tint no para rosy cheeks ta and dili po ta luspad tan-awon. You need to blend it well para di sab kaingon nga murag nasagpaan gikan. And lastly, I'm gonna apply a lip tint on my lips. So I'm using the Happy Skin lip and cheek tint in the shade Focus. So that's it. Thanks for watching.